Congratulations, Portia. How does it feel to be a Lady Indian?
I am honored to be a part of the Lady Indians. I've been looking forward to this for a long time now, and I just can't stop smiling about it.
What were some of the deciding factors to help you decide ICC?
Well, the facility for one was great. Everything about it was nice. I loved it. And the coaches coming to the games to check on me after I had surgery and everything, just the progress, and showed me that they really cared and it could be home away from home.
What are some of the attributes you can bring to Lady Indians?
My determination, my competitive nature, and just willing to work hard at everything I do.
Portia, who would you like to thank for this special day?
First and foremost, I would like to thank God and my family, my friends, my coaches, and my wonderful teammates for this day.
Congratulations, Coach LeBrier. What has Portia meant to your program in the past?
Well, she's been a tremendous asset for us, and she brings a lot of spark and energy to our team. She's a great leader, just a tremendous athlete. When we've been down in games or needed a spark, she's provided that energy for us, and she's a competitor. And that's something that has been hard to coach in other girls. It's just natural in her. She's just one of those players that you want to see great things happen to because she's very deserving of it.
Coach Kurt, what do you think Portia Patterson will bring to Lady Indians next year?
We're excited to have Portia coming in from a great program here at Corinth High School. She has tremendous power and speed, really good defensive outfielder, but we especially like her bat from the left side.